Hey there, welcome back. What are today's messages? Which envelope has our messages? Let's do this one. Normalize not trying harder when someone makes you feel unwanted. You ever notice yourself doing that? Courage starts with showing up and letting ourselves be seen. You are worth more than how they made you feel. Happiness does not depend on what you have or who you are. It solely relies on what you think. Absolutely. You are the author of your own story. Make sure you write something amazing. And the last one today. I choose to believe things are possible, even when I don't know how they will happen. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.